Nami, Nami, back in the back. What are you doing in the car? What are you doing?
Sam, I got my messages.
Come on. Nami, go. Nami, over there. Maury School. As you can see, it's in the neighborhood. Our house is through that street and over here. That's Dad's car right there. Then you got the Nissan Sentra. I'll go check the Nissan Sentra. I'll go check the back. This is what it looks like. I'm going slow motion for you guys. So you see Dad's car. Mom crashed it one time and oh, it's a Nissan Vertra. Okay. She crashed it one time and now the brake pad's kind of messed up. So now she's like, now we need somebody to fix it, or we're gonna finish the payments and then buy him a truck. Buy Dad a truck, or it can be for Keaton since my dad's in the hospital right now. Oh, come on. Stay. No, once again, stay. Oh my God. Go. Okay. Look at that guy. Look at that guy over there. No. Watch out. Watch out. Over there. Go. Over there. Okay. Go. He has his toy. He's roaming around with his toy right now. Look at him. Look at him go. Muncho, come here. Zanny, come here, Zanny. Zanny. No. Zanny. Come here. Woohoo! In 3D. Ready? Go get it. Zoom. This guy.